This is a screencast looking at some of the power settings you should apply to your laptop. One of the little annoying things on Windows 8 is actually auto brightness. Auto brightness can interfere with the projector when you're teaching. So I'm just going to search for auto brightness. So if I just type in auto brightness, it says here turn auto brightness on or off. Now you can see my auto brightness is on. And really it should be off, because what it does is a sensor inside of the screen which looks at the ambient light and changes the brightness according to the ambient light. But that can interfere with the signal that's going to the projector and sometimes actually switch off the projector whilst you're teaching. So just make sure that auto brightness is switched off. There's some settings here for the screen and sleep, but I'm just going to do that somewhere else. So I'm just going to go to the top here and you can see I've got the X. Will close this down, or I could use my finger and swipe down from the top and close it from that way. So let's have a look at the power settings that I'm going to set up on this laptop to assist me whilst I'm teaching. So at the moment you can see it's fully charged, but I'm going to right click, and when I right click it's got power options. When I go to power options, you can see at the moment it's got balanced and eco, but I'm going to create a new power plan for school whilst I'm teaching. So create a power plan, and I want high performance, and I'm just going to call this power plan here school, and click next. And whilst I'm teaching, even if it's on the battery, I do not want the display to turn off because that will interfere with my signal going to the projector. I do not want to put the computer to sleep. I want maximum brightness, and I want the display to never turn off and it never to go to sleep whilst I'm plugged in. And I'm going to click create. So now you can see I'm on the school power plan. Obviously if I was using this laptop at home or on holiday maybe, then I could change the power plans to make sure that the battery lasts a lot longer. The battery life in these Toshibas is, well, it's promoted to be up to 17 hours, but I imagine that's on one of these economical power settings, not on the one that we've just created. But I recommend you create this one for whilst you're teaching for minimum interference. So when I now right click on this and I go to power options, you can see we are on school. And if I click on it, not right click but just left click or just a normal click, then you can see I've got school and I can toggle between school and balanced. So I hope you found that useful.